right, so this is deck 12, 651. This is an interior Central Park view balcony. All right, so when you first walk in, again, my first impression on this one is it's beautiful. Like the nicest stateroom I've seen as far as colors, decorating, all of that. You've got a full-length mirror right here. It's very spacey. Your cute little couch. Turn back this way and you've got your bathroom here. And it's like any other cruise bathroom. It's pretty small, but it's still pretty roomy. And this shower is awesome. This door, you've got a shower door here. And that's actually pretty roomy in the shower. I like that. All right. And you have storage here. On both sides of the bed you have that storage. Yeah, more storage. Probably a fridge. There's my little fridge. Your desk with all your stuff. Your vanity with lights. This makes more sense. I like it when the TV is right in front of the bed. Well, not that I ever really watch TV, but bed. Another thing I love about Royal's rooms is the rounded bed, so you can get by here. Oh, and then this is something I haven't seen yet, is these little hooks to hang your stuff on. That's pretty cool. All right, let's check out this balcony. Let's check out this view, because this is what everybody really wants to see, is what the view is in 651. All right, so lift all the way up and pull. Okay. Family. We're already getting the deck party going. Alright, so you got your 2 chairs and a little bit of a view. Look how cool. This is Central Park view balcony. We are all the way on the end. There's Wonderland somewhere in there. Look how beautiful. So you're kind of blocked a little bit from the sun here. We're all the way on, I'm lost. I don't know where we're at. But that is your Central Park view balcony. Room 651, and I'm a fan. I mean, it's budget friendly. You may not want to splurge on the ocean view, but maybe like a little deck and a little private area to do your just reading, whatever you want to do. I always do that upstairs, so this doesn't really matter to me, but it's nice to have that sunlight coming in, and I really like the room. So that's 651.